In this short video, I'll address a common issue people face with lookups involving multiple criteria. As you can see on the screen, names like Mark and Lisa are repeated under grades A, B and C. If you try to use a simple VLOOKUP, you'll end up with the wrong result. Let's see what we get with VLOOKUP. So we currently get 141 for grade A, which is incorrect. Whereas correct result is 968, and if we change to grade C, we still get the same incorrect result whereas C is not in list only. To get the right result, we can use an amazing function called DGet. Type DGet, then under Database, select the complete range. Under Field, choose the column heading for the result you want. So here we want result as count, so just select the heading cell of count column. Then select both the criteria along with input field cells and close the bracket to get the result. The result we have here is a value because grade C is not listed for the name Mark. Let's change the grade to A, and here we go, we have a score of 968. Now if we change the grade to B, our result got changed to 141 as per the range. Now let's try changing the name to Lisa. Again value as result because B is not in list. So we'll change the grade to A. Here we go, we got the result as 158. And by changing grade to C, result got update to 328. So now you know the amazing formula called DGet. Use this to do lookup with multiple criteria.